Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2024 Coachmen Catalina 261 BH. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this bunkhouse trailer, show you what it's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are up inside the brand new 2024 Coachmen Catalina 261 BH. As you've seen on the floor plan, this is a non-slide bunkhouse family trailer. We're going to start back here in the back, and then we'll kind of work our way forward for you. So back here in the back, we have two large bunks. There's a window back there that does open, USB charger ports here on the right as well. Pull across curtain for privacy. Below that, you have another oversized bunk. There's USB charger port back here as well. And then you have below that some storage. Just to the right of the bunk area, we're going to have our bathroom area. So you do have a little bit of storage under your sink here. A little decorative mirror there as well. Up top, you have a vent fan up here. AC duct in here. You'd be surprised how many don't have AC ducts in their bathroom, so that's kind of nice. ABS tub surround, step-in shower with a pull-across curtain, and a foot flush toilet. The light in the bathroom is also on a wall switch, so it will be easier for kids or shorter people to be able to turn on and off the light at night in the bathroom. There's a lot of brands, again, that don't have light switches for lights like that. Now, kind of backing up here, we have a little dinette area. The dinette will go down and make into a bed. There's a little bit of storage under some of the dinette section as well. You have a big window overlooking the awning side or door side area. Some cabinet space up here. And then over here, they did a couple little cubbies so you can kind of have some area again to kind of stash some of the kids' stuff. There is also an electric outlet here. This one was ordered with solar also. But there's also a cable outlet and satellite outlet, HDMI, and also pre-wire for the RV Link internet connection you can do aftermarket. On the side over here, you have your JBL stereo system, and it has an indoor speaker and an outdoor speaker. You also have a control up here that will connect to an app Bluetooth, but you could light your water heater on gas. The electric switch is outside. You'll have water pump, interior light switch, exterior light switches. You also have your monitor panels here for your battery and your holding tanks as well. Propane leak detector down here, and then we have some storage underneath of the sink area there as well. Have a large single bowl sink and a high-rise faucet. Window there does also open. Electric outlet, USB charger ports. Storage up above. Over here they are using some GE appliance stuff here. So you have the GE microwave, hood range light and fan. There's a 3-burner gas cooktop by GE, so you're working basically off propane. Does have the little spark igniter on it as well. And then this right here is the GE 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. So a really nice refrigerator setup. Kind of like these little shelf things here on the door. Looks a little fancier than some of the other ones that I've seen. Then we have a jackknife sofa. Now this sofa will flip down and make into a bed also. And there's storage underneath of that as well. Now you can raise up the seat if you want, but then they also made it so this comes off. And there's all kinds of storage underneath of there. And that's basically held on by some magnets. Little flip down cup holder thing there in the middle. You have window there that does also open. Some more little cubbies up there. Kind of looking down the roof line here. You have your ducted AC, again a GE appliance. Digital thermostat there on the wall for your AC and your furnace. Propane furnace on the RV. Traditional RV entry door and screen door. Does have the window in it. Window over there opens. You got a light switch above the window as well. Pull across curtain here. Window over there will also open. And you have an electric outlet and cable outlet up there as well. USB charger ports and electric outlet on each side of this bed. Hanging closet. Quite a bit of upper shelf space here. And then the bed will also raise up, and there's some storage underneath of here, and the spare tire is also underneath of that plywood section there as well. And that is a crank handle for the manual jacks on the RV. A decent amount of room in the bedroom area to kind of maneuver around and get dressed and stuff. You do have, again, that pull across curtain for privacy. So they didn't want to do a full wall and door, which would kind of maybe make it feel a little more claustrophobic in here. So they actually kind of did a partial wall. All right, I want to head outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. And also check out the description below for some of the updates on what was new for 2024 as far as colors and graphics and all that type of stuff. Quite a few changes. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we're back on the outside of the brand new 2024 Coachmen Catalina 261BH travel trailer. Start here on the door side, kind of work our way around. So first things up for 2024, we have a new graphics and color change on the outside. The unit is an aluminum sided, wood studded constructed RV. You have a power awning with a color changing LED light built in close to the body of the RV. And you also have adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff and manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. This one has a large pass-through storage compartment here going across the front section. This was also ordered with the optional solar as well. So you got a solar charge controller right there. Magnetic holders on the baggage doors. You have tinted safety glass windows. You do have a traditional RV entry door with a window in it as well. Also ordered with the heavier duty more ride entrance step, rated for 500 pounds instead of the 300 pound rated traditional hover style step. Screen door in there as well. Outdoor speaker up there. The unit is double axle. You have easy lube hubs, drum brakes. Very, very important on any RV to make sure you do kind of keep up with your lug nut torque and your tire pressure. You have the electric outlet and cable outlet right there as well. Step back here so you can see down the whole side a little better. Now just down below here you have a gas line hookup, so you could plug in a portable outside grill or something if you wanted to. You also have one of your rear stabilizer jacks. There's two on the front and two on the back. And there's the pet-friendly leash latch holder there as well. And then you have a pretty large compartment here, which is underneath of the bunk area. On around to the back side here, we have on the back section the 6-gallon gas and electric water heater located back here. You are pre-prepped for a rear observation camera by Furrion, allowing you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road. And you're also prepped back here for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder that you can buy aftermarket. Your dump tanks are down here, so your gray and your black area dumps right here. You have your cable and satellite inlet, city water inlet, and black tank flush also located there. You have a detachable 30 amp power cord, which is probably close to 30 feet long. Stove exhaust vent out there. Furnace exhaust just above your tires down there. Gravity fill fresh water tank located right here. And then you can see just down below is the drain for that. Step back here again so you can kind of see down the whole side. Right here, we're going to run over these stickers here real quick. These are some important informational stickers. So right here we have a VIN. We also have our dry weight, 4,765 pounds dry with an external length of 30 feet 1 inch. Production date sticker says this one was built 7/20 of 23. Has a gross vehicle weight of 6,400 pounds. That is basically hitch weight and tongue weight combined. Do not exceed that. Tire sticker, 205/75R 14D range tires with a 65 cold PSI. The other side of our storage here. You have a really rounded and kind of sloped back front end, making it a little more aerodynamic than the traditional flat front RVs. Two 20-pound propane tanks, auto changeover regulator, manual tongue jack, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety change, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, breakaway cable, all that standard stuff on RVs. There is a battery disconnect back here. There's room for 1 or 2 batteries to go kind of back here behind that area. Lower diamond plate on the front. But overall, a really nice look for the new 2024 Coachmen Catalina. Thanks again for taking the time to watch my RV videos, folks. Really do appreciate it. Please be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. Thanks again.